Well, on today's video, it's going to be very simple, straight to the point. I'm going to be showing you how to install Expedition center console in your jelly bean. Yeah, I called it a jelly bean. 97 F-150 to what, 04, 02. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comment section. When did they quit making these? This is my center console. It looks extremely good. It come out of a 2000 model Expedition. I painted it with dupli colors, vinyl and fabric. This is the color I used. They about $13 a can now. They have went up. I got a whole playlist of me painting stuff like this: dashes, carpet, center consoles. Check it out. It's called dupli color, vinyl and fabric. It's a playlist on my channel. Might be something you want to watch after you watch this video. So the first thing you want to do is get inside here. Don't comment on my formats. I know they crassy. My seat's not powered, but you want to fold your seats up. Come back here and look for any tabs. This one ain't got tabs, but it does got, looks like to be a 10mm, maybe an 8mm bolt on that side. So if we go on this side, we got a matching bolt. Well, you got this tray. If you got this style, it just kind of pulls up. I had it in backwards, but you understand. It's got two bolts, one here, one here. You loosen them up, and you come inside. Mine had a tray you lift up, and then you have two studs here and here, and you just take them off. These guys here, don't worry, those should remove, so you can bolt your brackets down. And once you get that, it picks pretty much straight up like this. Don't forget to take your two screws out that I showed you when we first started. And then you got two up here in the front. Big old nuts here. And then we got, it's 3/4 of an inch was what the big nut sizes was. Then you just pick straight up on this. And there we go. Your brackets will sit here. You will need the brackets from the Expedition. Do not forget that. So this is the brackets. They come out of the Expedition. I'm going to cut my carpet back so they sit down flush. But I think I can just use the studs that's already in the truck. And, you know, not the bolts. So that's good. But if you ain't got studs or anything like that, get the bolts with your brackets. You can see we have to cut the carpet about right in here, so we can get this bracket here, because center console scoots under it. But this is the orientation of the brackets in case you need it. And let's be honest, you probably can just use this back bracket, because are you really going to wobble that? But get your brackets if you can. I don't know if they still sell them new, but that's the part number for this one. Might help you find some, maybe on eBay and stuff. Also, I sell on eBay, so you never know. I might have a set of them for sale. I don't at the moment because I'm using them, but I do got other F-150s in stock that I ain't inventoried yet. What I'm going to do now, since I'm going to plan on painting this carpet in the future video, I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to clean just the areas you can't see much. I mean, if you want to do this better than me, you can take this out and vacuum your, carpet and clean it. I plan on cleaning places you can see, but this is an old work truck and I just want it presentable. So I'm going to clean out this stuff that's been here for a decade, because this has been new to me and I ain't never really cleaned this truck. I've just been driving it. Then I'm going to take a can of dupli color, vinyl and fabric spray. I'm just going to, like I said, paint this in here. You ain't going to be able to see this. I mean, somebody might. But as long as I had the truck, I'm not going to. They just need to be black. And I'm just going to do one coat. Usually carpet takes 2 or 3 coats. But look at that. Looks brand new. Now your vehicle will smell like paint. You do it inside this. Only bad thing about it. But I think we'll be fine. Now the back, I'm going to have to get in the back to do it better. So I'm going to go ahead and paint all this. I'm going to take it and I'm going to scuff this where the center console goes up, because I'm going to paint this dash in a later video too. It's looking pretty good. But get you a brush like this After you spray one coat, give it a few minutes to dry, then brush the fibers and respray it again if needed. What that does, that keeps the fibers from sticking and keeps them from getting hard on you. That's a trick. Remember that. Your brush might not be good afterwards, but I got too many parts left. I got some little accessories I need to paint here. Finish them up. Some extra bolts from the Expedition, and these parts here that I got for it. So I'm gonna go over here to my boat bin because I took this out and I need to put some more bolts in it. Now it's everything's in. I even painted this a little bit just so I won't have to in the future, and dust some paint off, blend it when we do the whole dash. But from the looks of it, it looks pretty good. This is dust right here. I ain't fingerprints or nothing. That's just, you can see, just dust. Nothing to worry about though. Just need to wipe it off. Just like so. Ah, good as new. Let's see. Now I need to, what's it doing? Bolts. This is bolted, but this has got some 4 bolts inside that I need to put in, and I'm pretty sure them was 4 ways. These is my little star heads. Okay, here's the ones that go inside, I think. Or is it the little bolts? So looks like I did the normal thing. I lost bolts. Go figure. So I'm gonna look around and see what I can find. Here's this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put this together. Oh, it's looking so much better. So I got the rubber inserts in. There's no bolts under these, but this guy goes just like this. I put my gold bolt in. I used the gold bolts I had. Looks pretty good. Then this comes down. I still gotta paint this piece and put the back piece on it. We're getting there. I got it dusty as can be now. On a side note, I pulled everything back out because it does not lock in place in the back due to the studs hitting. So I got to pull them studs out. It was a E something for the size. E8. Always nice when nothing goes to plan. I had to cut those studs, bolts, to length to make everything fit. I don't know if you can tell, but the end of that snapped off when I took that torque bit to that one. Try to remove it. I just used my little cut-off wheel or the cut-off disc on it. Very good. Highly recommend it. Don't you like it when you pick a perfect afternoon and it starts to rain? Like doing your project. But anyway, it's all installed now. I cut the bolts down. I put the back piece on it. If you wanted to, you could put a USB drive or something in it. I did not. I just left this stock. I never wired in the back. This is just, like I said, an old work truck. I just want somebody, if somebody sees it, be like, wow, look at that. Looks pretty good. I do say so. Let's go to the other side. Check it out. Oh yeah. That's what a center console is supposed to look like. And I think the dash is going to look really good once we paint it all black. Let's see. Oh, gotta adjust my seat again. I hate getting my seat out of adjustment. Oh yeah, looks pretty good. We got the inside here. I don't know if them the boats that supposed to go there, but they are now. But yeah, it's nice and sturdy. It butts up nice. Hey, some little plastic pieces goes here. I got from the Expedition. We can add them later. You know, I got to paint those. And I got this piece I got to add too. I just got it painted. It goes underneath that. This stuff dries quick on a nice about 70-degree day, 60-degree day. You want to do light coats on it. Yours will turn out just like this. So let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful, if you enjoyed, if you got a 97 F-150 and what you been doing to make it all snazzy. I enjoy hearing from you. As I said before, if you're interested in knowing how to paint one of these, I got plenty of videos on my channel in a playlist. Go to the playlist now. Check out the dupli one. You see how I paint all kinds of nice stuff. And it does hold up. I got a video from 7 to 8 years ago of a dash and a Camaro, and it's still held up great to this day. It's all in your prep, you know. You gotta remember that. It's all in the prep. But yeah. Thanks for watching.